staffer at the presidency. Nana, what am I way for what I can trade us say? Emma Kwababa Sompa FM. Nampato Pum to say. Oh, Biso me pa. Nana ya, I know dear course so I was presidency. Oh, a yadia me who say Wababonting about Casamu say more rem. Nana, na ebisa. Debut, they make Canada say. And now, Wabla now, one more demonstration up. One more bar, a presidency, sir, one more day petition, a bar, or mamping a power, sir, one not quack a petition, no. A yadia, a course, so, a magan and Ibia who, yes, sir. Cassa, a honorable opinion markings, a car, you know. Cassano, one shadan cassa ye. One cassawaba bonting about a car, sir, a samno, a yadia who tears, say, or catch your say, oh, yeah, Madam Nobody. Now, asabu we know, you have so a damn pan is here because all that we are hearing, no, I reported. Damn pan is here.
Yes, and I'm here, and Chama was here for me. Chama was here for business. Yes, and I'm here. Your kind and one and the body language is here or chair or on the chair, only respect for me. And only for 14 in the kind of the same day, they apologize and they still talk. They are saying, say, Asanya was justified. I mean, the point is that the president powers his own constitution. A president and a assumed fun. If you go out with the president, the same with Buna, the revenue capital. Number two, the new junior officer and the senior government official, the president and the appointed. It is all about presidency. Let's say you need to manage Qatar. A little woman, especially the fact that they may all back. Obian and okay, say, all of them are one deputy women's organizer and agent. So I'm not even fit the money or the petition in the shame. But that is what it is. Because all kinds of democracy is that there is no one papa. Oh, yes, yeah. They are all coming for one. Besides, the was the day that the whole country was remembering 8 heroes who died. No, be on the office. No program as the mother and my dress here. The president of the two be away, you know what about the year. You can now be a so they are there. You don't be a man at the gym. You don't have my thing, there are no be. A president of the two be any mood. I have the petitioner. And we decided to say, we are affront to a Mao. A Maya was done my politics. If we crown, we are talking about 30% affirmative action. In the liberty that are marking the parliament, which I should mind we are. Bed or bed being able to do alcohol. Because in my show, everything encouraging man or mobile politics. But the name now will make it time APC is there. Then how? After your marking what you in the new channel. We did the empty need and if you are on channel will be there. Besides, no crime and then we'll put it. But I general secretary of the band, only general secretary or maybe a former general secretary of a political party. Yatin could be a general secretary. None of my general secretary that over to white act. No, senior. I think the point is that yes. I mean, because I'm a photo of a member. Or no, what can be nobody. The president to cry and Nadu. The president in Nadu. Or the woman of Papa. I'm not going to someone here that make a baby and if you sure baby and if you so you nobody. What can you see, Jantuah? What can you come and come and fighting for the independence of this nation. So they are saying, Papa the KSC Jantuah. Something was Papa Timo was Ghana. Then Ghana, they are Ghana. And try on not the achievement of them.
Oh, okay. Again, oh, yeah.
Oh, you are not trained or bet you am. Come with the haggard.
Wow.
What did I say?
Before this event, now only honorable Aponyo Makens, now mun tempt to say.
I tell you what is happening in the town. I don't know him. We need not ask you, but we need not pay no time and now to many in common. And you're not going to be young or many in common. Many are here about to shoot, but in the the thing was telling me about it to come back to the home one. Let us buy a crowd, the mood your master that you see so. The signature is so.
Hey. Petition and now one of the Bremono, not the general secretary of the party, the signature any so. Now signatures been and also.
In all kinds of signature was intimation.
Wow.
So immediately I opened the envelope to see, I flipped through everywhere.
But has the petition been presented to the president?
Yeah, and that is over. And there's a secretary exam, they will make a jump and get my president. There's a process, with the cop.
Nana
Yaa. The thing is that, which is that the year you of presidency, not linked me. I said, no, I think will be saying, tell me serious. Then if I'm not making a bell, you have to say, I tell me serious, or bells of war.
Debbie.
And this is the day and nobody is in there. But the point I don't want to even accept to send me or back. You can tell me, send me, nobody in the junior office. I mean, you're now.
Sure.
And I never seen who the president will appointed me. And he appointed me amongst a number of people. The real teacher name appointment and the others, which is me and we were about the first. After the castle, we knew money on the way.
Nana, I've heard some communicators of the New Patriotic Party say that Sir Utie Honorable Aponyo Makens Wabrana or present or Kasa and Sana Wabe present a petition. Is chose words like, I just don't want to disrespect you, with the greatest respect. Sir,
I just don't want to disrespect you. Me, my school bow. And all we say, I'm a catching into school. For you to even speak for the issue of disrespect to come in, what did you say? What was your preamble?
Wow.
What was the premise of you to say that you don't want to disrespect me? What were you thinking?
So implied in that statement is some amount of disrespect to be shown you.
Yes. I don't want to disrespect you. Why are you saying that? Okay. What do you have in your mind?
So,
So you can't just polish it in how and decide. And yet the media and the die.
oh, okay.
Yeah, because nobody can come and tell me that people should be because of more about the castle. I don't like this people are defending him and he's behind the scenes. They want to attack them or attack demonstrate they are two different things. In the scheme of things, I'm a senior to the security director of in the political dispensation and the political ladder. I am higher than the director of security at the Bank of Nana.
Udim, just because you have brought that issue in, let me also come in here and say, sir, the NPP also felt disrespected. Wabra, muye demonstration against the governor of Bank of Ghana. Wabra na muwo abeni aswa. Muko hwa, the head of security. Eba bonting, ebeje. So, omane buama die, say of Eastern.
The papaya something.
The papaya something. Okay, that's fine.
Yes, I'm a papaya member of our party. So you don't. I mean, the big party is not there. You are not sympathetic. Kamusi government is not here. You put a motor mama. I'm going to hold you headquarters in remembrance.
So,
because about that area, only Ghana, we're not about politics. But you chose to show, besides, to me, democracy is not working. You've been able to instrumentalize a demonstration to press home your demand.
Wow. Nana Yaa, we'll come to that. But the woman for person who say, Wabra na mo UPSC ho na omampanyin kai say, and there one demonstration.
So one kai actually the night before.
The night before.
So what I wanted to do is to make for your number.
Oh, okay, that's fine.
Then to remember.
Okay.
Aha. It's yes, I make it never for Accra. And I saw me to high 11, by 11 again, the 38 into a board 10, and then if you want to increase the meritocracy.
Wow.
You have the man to meet you up with 10:30.
Okay.
It's not the actual one something, and for the come on in here with program.
All right. Nana Yaa Jantuah, but do you really think, sir, democracy is under attack? Do you really think?
You see, democracy is not under attack. Let me tell you something.
Okay.
There are rules, there are regulations, there is accountability.
Sure.
Laws are put together to regulate our being and existence.
No creeper.
So even if you go to the jungle, the jungle is lawless. The laws in the jungle are not written, they are not laid down. And they are rules of engagement. The tortoise cannot go and touch the nose, willfully touch the nose of the lion. No? Without going through any consequence. Laws are made. I don't know what NDP is talking about. It is there's some form of maybe amnesia because I don't understand.
Saying then officer Koso.
The name Adio Canon
Omunya pre-information say and Ababaji a petition. I believe they got that information.
No one pre-information and not here. The same way they treated me badly for me to lose my job. The same way they treated me badly for me to lose my position as the general secretary of my party. The same way they did yesterday.
Really?
Yeah, absolutely. Yes, I'm telling you, I said that. It's not everything that you saw on TV.
Wow.
It's not everything that was recorded. I was standing there. I'm sorry some people say they are my emotional.
Yeah.
But I was wondering myself to say, how could you hate somebody, follow that person to destroy the person, and continue want to destroy the person?
Nana, are you still disturbed?
I'm not. I'm okay, pal.
To say we are okay, pal.
I'm very okay.
Okay.
Very okay. Why? Because they've done it to me before. They've done it to me generally. Only concern was that why do you hate one person like this? That you don't even want to recognize that the person is a senior member of government.
And at the end, you have rightly said, sir, nobody within the new Patrotic Party, Afro Crack because even in your submission with us here today, who can say Mobedu honorable or say chairman Sabunsu, Ebe Hageo.
Yes.
Wafro and ne I can't be Biafasa Sabuana.
It's okay. You see, when it comes to the new Patriotic Party, I am ready to be their enemy.
You are ready
to... They have shown me. Yes. I am ready to be their enemy. And at the end, the day I get up and I say, oh, this party is made up of some my own Nana B, Papa Nana B, they were close. My father used to give contracts to Nana B's father.
Oh, really?
My father was a minister.
Ejina o papa na eyade or the contract e de man na bi papa. And I said chesam na damfo.
Na still friend na bi papa.
Wow.
What you said, when Sandra na bi the papa na ba na treasure.
Whoa.
So because of politics, I don't care.
Na uni na bi ntem to say. Uni na bi ntem to say.
Nana bi won me oya makola.
Oya wakola na wo frau.
Oh, friend me.
And I was on somebody
should acknowledge that our friend not the bad. I don't really care. Yeah, me young say but discourage the other women to come on board.
Wow.
This open display of disrespect.
But minim say some way the ayade how ye pa. Awo wakuma mu.
Yes, how.
Sir.
I no, encourage other women to come on board and hang. Okay, need our friend Wagana.
Wow. Wow.
Just to say I should take it easy to commiserate with me and say it will be well. And from Abuchi, all over.
Na ewo wakuma mu no, wo de ache afenwuma kensana.
Already I tell today.
Selfie say wa hetel. Enti no, wo de ache no.
Because only me very well. I think I make carry me cool.
Minimum pa behind the scene, me help pa, me tio pa.
Yes, I tell me carry me cool. But there there's a trail in your nation. And then I make the story of David and Goliath. David could not Goliath and me. The Goliath catch on the what animal that you bring a dog. Anything I anything come for shame. Name what a human being there. Lay day. Or can't make say you, but you want to when you because you petition God and God acts. Wasn't present when you petition Jehovah. That's the only petition I can give you. Because you stand here and may I would think. Maybe I find your crack one. It was a matter. Me I can do. Every time that's a man my body.
Wow. Wow.
They commit now PURC. This is the only issue. You are the chairman, I know me in one and a half.
Nana Yaa Jantuah, you better say, sir, Wama Hukwama, you wedding como, SOMPA for God and country, that's you better any wedding como, de papa, Yami and Shroud, now Oma yo.
Amen.
Amen. Nana Yaa Jantuah, now to summon no, a D and como.